Adventures, want to see something really cool? This guy had a really bad noise coming out of one side, or actually both sides, but the passenger side was the worst. I wonder if you can tell why.
Yeah, I might need to buy a house.
So this is one of the cooler things I've seen over the years. This had the bearing bad for so long that it ate into the wheel bearing housing, and the axle ate all this stuff away, so it needed a whole new axle, a whole new wheel bearing to fix the problem. Plus, the brakes were wrong on this also. So like, I got some other videos coming and I'll show you. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check me out on YouTube.